In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a digital planner. Trello can be a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks, and when used as a digital planner, it can bring clarity and efficiency to your daily routine. First, you'll want to head over to Trello's website. If you're already familiar with Trello, then you're just a few clicks away from enhancing your planning process. Once you're there, select how you'd like to log in. Whether you choose to log in with an email, use your Google account, or through another option, the process is straightforward and designed to seamlessly get you started. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a board. Think of the board as your digital workspace. This is where all your tasks and projects will be organized. Give your board a name that reflects its purpose, such as weekly planner or personal tasks. The title you choose will serve as a constant reminder of your goals. Now, on to creating lists. Within Trello, lists allow you to categorize your tasks or segment your time. You might have lists like week of date to organize tasks by week, or daily tasks for those essential, everyday actions. If you're managing different areas of your life, consider lists such as personal, work, and errands to help categorize your tasks. If you're someone who thrives on process tracking, a Kanban-style approach with lists labeled to do, doing, and done can be incredibly effective for visualizing progress. The next step is creating cards. Each card represents a single task or item on your to-do list. For example, if you have a meeting or a project deadline, create a card for that specific task. This way, everything you need to focus on during your week is plain to see. Once your board is set up, it's time to populate it. You'll want to add your tasks as cards within the appropriate lists. If a task is complex, break it down into smaller subtasks using checklists within the cards. This can prevent feeling overwhelmed and makes it easy to track progress on bigger projects. Labels are also your friend, so use them to categorize tasks by priority or type, whether personal, work-related, or otherwise. Setting due dates is crucial for time management and helps you visualize deadlines when you switch to calendar view. Don't forget to add descriptions and attachments to your cards, providing context and all necessary resources right where you need them. Explore the calendar view for a bird's-eye view of all your tasks with due dates. It's perfect for quickly identifying scheduling conflicts or overdue tasks. The drag-and-drop feature allows you to easily adjust your workflow as your schedule changes. For even more functionality, explore power-ups like integration with Google Calendar or other tools that enhance your planning. A few last tips. Keep your Trello board simple to avoid overwhelm, focusing only on essential tasks. Make it a habit to review your Trello board daily or weekly, and most importantly, customize it to fit your specific needs and preferences because everyone's planning style is unique.